Hi everyone, Karen here from Bodywork and Massage Training. I'm really excited to talk to you about our amazing, incredible workshops, Introduction to Lymphatic Drainage Techniques for TMJ, Migraines and Headaches. Whether you're a therapist looking to enhance your skills or someone seeking effective techniques for helping your clients, this workshop is designed for amazing massage therapists and body workers just like you. In this workshop, we'll deep dive into the world of myofunctional manual lymphatic drainage, specifically focusing on the techniques that target TMJ disorders, headaches, and migraines. These conditions can be debilitating, and through the methods taught during this workshop, you'll discover how to offer real relief to your clients. TMJ disorders is the disability of the jaw movement. When it becomes restricted and painful, the long-term effects are reduced social functioning and depression. TMJ impacts the client's quality of life and is the third most common non-malignant chronic pain condition. TMJ is also a collective term used for several clinical problems affecting the muscles surrounding the jaw. The National Institute of Dental and Craniofacial Research has found the most common form of TMJ disorders is the discomfort and pain in the fascia connective tissue surrounding the muscles. Migraines affect 4.9 million people in Australia, and they will suffer on a quite a consistent, recurrent basis. And these recurrent attacks are of moderate and severe throbbing. Headaches are called the most common complaint of civilized man. It affects approximately 2/3 of the population. We'll be covering the essential myofunctional manual lymphatic drainage techniques that you can use in your clinic the next day. These techniques are specialized protocols, including opening sequence protocols and the intraoral protocols. These techniques are gentle at activating a chemical reaction called thixotropic, allowing the connective tissue to and trigger points to release and the surrounding tissue to become more palpable. One of the key elements we'll focus on is the opening sequence protocol. This is essential because it sets the stage for an effective lymphatic drainage. We'll show you how to incorporate these techniques into your current modality, allowing you to enhance the outcomes for your clients. These clients are especially with the ones living with TMJ pain, constant headaches, and migraines, as well as clients who may have neck and throat conditions following a surgery. We'll also combine the essential opening sequence with the intraoral protocols. The intraoral protocols is the most interesting area to perform Myo MLD techniques. It takes a lot of trust between yourself and your client to perform this amazing protocol. Our workshop isn't just about learning new techniques, it's about transforming your clinic practice. By the end of the workshop, you'll have the confidence to integrate these powerful lymphatic drainage techniques into your treatment. So offering new treatments to address conditions like TMJ, headaches, and migraines effectively expand your treatment options. Myo MLD techniques also improve lymphatic flow, leading to quicker recovery times and reducing pain associated with the conditions, enhancing your client outcomes. Therapists can also integrate Myo MLD with existing modalities such as remedial massage and relaxation therapy, enhancing the overall client experience. Specializing in Myo MLD can distinguish therapists in a competitive market, attracting clients to seek specific lymphatic drainage treatments. And of course, there's always professional development. This workshop is available for CPE, CPD points. Please check with your association for more details. Spaces are limited. We only allow 8 participants per workshop. So if you are ready to take the skills to the next level, make sure you secure your spot. With the smaller group, each participant receives more one-to-one time with myself, the instructor, ensuring that your questions are thoroughly addressed and your learning needs are met. The environment fosters a more intimate and focused learning environment, allowing for deeper engagement with the information that is delivered. And you'll get individualized feedback on your techniques and performance, helping you to refine your skills in your clinic. I can't wait to see you at the Introduction to Lymphatic Drainage Techniques for TMJ, Headaches and Migraines workshop.